Hey girl, hey!
I'm Sally, a current high school student working with NYC Smoke Free. Now let's talk tobacco. Did you know that 9 out of 10 adult smokers start before the age of 18?
Oh no!
And although young people under 21 cannot buy cigarettes, they are always in our sight. Tobacco density is defined as a measure of the amount and quantity of tobacco used in a given area or space. This is a map of Brooklyn, New York. Go Brooklyn! And this is my neighborhood, Bensonhurst. On this map, the red pins represent all the tobacco retailers in my neighborhood. In my neighborhood, there are 93 tobacco retailers, and these are pictures of some of them. Around New York High School, a local high school in my neighborhood, and PS 200 Benson School, a local elementary school, there are a lot of tobacco retailers in the surrounding areas. The real question is, why are there so many retailers near schools? Well, tobacco advertisers try to appeal to the youth by making smoking appear cool, showing smoking in movies, and using social media to advertise. Why is it easier for me to have access to cigarettes than to borrow books from the library?
Detected.
We need to address how the tobacco industry influences children of all ages. And whether we are walking to school by ourselves or with our parents, playing in the park with our friends, or buying our favorite candies from the store, we should be able to say no to big tobacco. As one of the largest cities, New York should do more to protect our youth from a path of tobacco addiction. For starters, we should stop normalizing tobacco and all tobacco products and focus more on education and healthy foods like broccoli, apples, and fish. Together with NYC Smoke Free, we can become the first tobacco-free generation.